Lala baby surprise!
L.O.L surprise!
Okay, friends, so here is the Lala baby surprise. Now, here it says, do not keep it up and pull the tab down because then you do it wrong if you do it like this. Are you ready? I am. First layer off. Next layer. Where's the zipper? Looks like we need the scissors. Alright, now let's unbox. Oh my god, it's three colors. The handle's light pink, this is dark pink, this is light blue. Oh my goodness. It did say to unbox it like this. So now let's open it. Wow. Alright, let's see. She has this pearly pink diaper. Look how cute. Look how glittery her hair is. She has a pink pearlescent diaper. I'm going to put it here so you guys can see her. I'm going to get this out and I'm going to put all the accessories there. It comes with so many surprises. Let me see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what's in here. This is a pretty big bag. Oh my god. What is this thing? Oh, is this a phone? Oh, someone dropped it on the floor. It's a little shattered. Look. Alright. Look at that. Look. We can actually open the case. And then inside is a bunch of makeup. Now let's see our other little surprise. Look at that! That is so cool. There's these sparkly sunglasses. Oh my god, they're amazing. And this is so it stays on our little sister better so they won't fall off. Alright, now let's see what this is. We need scissors for this one. They're pretty. She has a pink pacifier. There's one thing very cool about this. It also has a lip gloss under here. I really like the lip gloss. It's pink and a little see-through, and it has lots of glitter. I'm going to try it on my hand. It doesn't have that much glimmer to it. It doesn't have color. Oh my goodness, I love this lip gloss so much. I was not expecting it was going to be glittery. So now we are going to open the last thing, and there's some things in there. Alright, let's see. Is this a slippy? Oh yeah, it's a slippy. Oh, look at that. It has water with a bunch of glitter. Wow, can you see that? I just noticed her mouth's actually open. You can give her a drink. Guys, now I'm gonna go home.